Wira, Madame Rosemary Sebo. Thank you. I would actually take this opportunity to come to UAE. Thank you for coming. Thank you for honoring this invitation. My name is Amir Kabuja. I'm the immigration underchief at the Uganda Embassy in Abu Dhabi. I've been in UAE for the last 2 years. Since 2019, at the end of 2019, December. Actually today, I've been exactly 2 years in UAE. I would like to take this opportunity to recognize special people, His Excellency the Ambassador Zake, our head of mission, present here. I would also like to take this opportunity at the same time to recognize the presence of Ambassador Henry Mayeka, our deputy head of mission, our deputy head of mission, President Malasia, members of staffs of the Uganda Embassy in Abu Dhabi, members of the Uganda community in UAE, investors, Uganda well-wishers here, representatives from the different departments of government in Uganda, and all other guests who are here present with us. Thank you so much for the invitation and accepting to attend this convention. I'm from immigration, and I'm here with one of my colleagues, Navadazi Hamza, from the Ministry of Internal Affairs in Kampala, from the visa section. I'm actually here at the same time to deliver apologies from the Director of Immigration, Major General Abdul Hasita Goa, and Commissioner of Immigration, Colonel Geoffrey Kambere. They were slated to be here with us, but because of unavailable technical challenges with their visa applications, they ended up getting stuck at the International Airport. As we talk, they are still there waiting for the visa approvals, but they haven't come out. But we are hopeful, if they come out, maybe they will fly. But they have been waiting for the national days. They are going to actually, it is supposed to be the Director of Immigration supposed to be here, because everything was said. Members, I'll go straight to the reason why I'm here. This CIC, or Directorate of Immigration and Citizenship Control, falls under the Ministry of Internal Affairs. And this is our presentation here. We have an introduction. I've already told you it's the Directorate of Citizenship and Immigration Control with 3 departments. One of the departments is Immigration Control. That is the department that deals with visa applications for foreigners, for aliens, and then they come to Uganda for tourism purposes, for investment purposes, and any other reasons, others cross for health reasons, for medical purposes, like our neighbors from DRC and South Sudan. The other department, the second department, is the Department of Legal and Inspection. It is the department in charge of the inspection of immigration services and to establish those who are carrying the right facilities and those who are in the country illegally or legally. And the other mandate is to prosecute the wrong characters that are illegally in the country. The third department of immigration is the Department of Citizenship. That is the department charged with citizenship, where passport issuance for desired Ugandans from where they fall. And under that category, we issue different passports, where we issue passports to ordinary citizens, to official citizens, where we have, let's say, honorable member We include the ministers, His Excellency the President, ambassadors, and others. Our journey as immigration, we have really had a very long journey. It started way back, even when some of us were not born during the colonial times. We have moved. At first, we were using temporary travel documents. Then time came where we are using passports that we are just regulated, they are machine readable. Then at the later stage, we acquired the machine readable passports. As we talk now, we have introduced the e-passport, which we have rolled out. As immigration, we have faced a number of challenges, which include delays in processing of passports in Kampala, inefficiency in immigration facilitation, allegations of corruption, and long queues. I would like to tackle them so fast. Delays in passport processing, the Directorate of Citizenship and Immigration Control has taken the initiative to centralize our service deliveries by rolling them out to the regional offices. They started with Marada, Bahari, as we talk about, also rolled out Kulu, in the efficiency in immigration facilities. We have also had delays in visa issuance. We have also rolled out e-visa machines. They are coming into missions, and at the same time, e-passport machines are also coming to the mission. Allegations of corruption, they are being stamped out by rolling out these e-visa and e-passport machines at missions, where we will stamp out middlemen. The long queues, they also being eliminated by centralizing the system. Passport control has been automated. That is our website where you apply. We now apply online. That is the link. It's on www.passport.go.ug. We have done away with the old system of money application. You apply, submit at our respective drop-off points and collection points in Kampala, at the regional offices, and now at all missions abroad. Immigration services automated. For the non-Ugandans, we tend to apply for visas from countries that require visas. We have countries that don't require visas, like countries from East Africa, COMESA, BTA, and others. You apply to that website. Originally, it had been taking about 2 days, but now it's being solved by bringing machines at the embassies. As we talk, our passport and e-visa machines already in place. They are still with UAE Customs for clearance. I believe by next week they'll be out. Integration of e-visa and e-passport systems with URL to ease accountability. As you all know, that payment for these services of e-visa and passport, they are being paid under the URL. They have integrated the system for easing accountability. The centralization of services, I've already talked about it. The e-passport and e-visa machines have already been sent to the missions. His Excellency the Ambassador is aware. We last week received the consignment of e-visa processing kit machines. We believe by next week they will be at the embassy. We'll be in a position to sort out issues of stranded investors and tourists who intend to travel to Uganda. The same applies to the passport. For Uganda visa applying, it will be very easy for you to apply for a passport and make it from the embassy and send it to Kampala. Reduction of permit fees for investments in mining. The good news I have for investors who are here and those who are not here, the fees was reducted from $2,500 US dollars to 400 US dollars for those who are investing in mining, people who are mining gold and other minerals. And these are some of our passports we issue for the ordinary Ugandans. We have the ordinary passport, that is the East African ordinary passport. It has been changed, if you recall very well. We had the Navy passport. This one is now for the whole of East Africa. The only difference is the Republic of Uganda. Kenya as well, they have also got their own, the Republic of Kenya. This is the dummy passport. This is how it looks physically for the ordinary Ugandan citizen. Who falls under this category? A number of people. Every Ugandan falls under this category. Apart from the special people who may be on official government missions in service, I've already told you the people who are heads of government parastatals, government institutions, and any other people official assignments. This is how the service passport looks. Some of the examples of who receive this type of passports are our honorable member of parliament. They fall under this category. The other third category is the diplomatic passport. It looks like this, where some of our honorables fall. People like the honorable ministers, His Excellency, the ambassador, people in diplomatic missions abroad, and a number of others, maybe the graduates or the religious leader. So that's how they do. But we have always had circumstances where you find that maybe Uganda has lost their passports and they are in the diaspora and they are urgent need of traveling back home. We have always considered issuing them what we call a certificate of identity. This is how it looks like. At first it used to be an emergency travel document, but now it's a certificate of identity. You come to the embassy, we issue it to you, you come along with the police report. Passport printing, I've already talked about it, it's already decentralized. We started with our regional offices, Barara First, Bale, Gulu, we are now operational. Missions, UAE, we are lucky, we have been considered first. The machines already here, they are with customs, and then we are clearing them out, and we'll be capturing the biometrics, the fingerprints from the embassy, and processing passports from here. I've already talked about those enrollment centers in Uganda. At the mission we have London, that is in UK, Pretoria in South Africa, Ottawa in Canada, Copenhagen in Denmark, Beijing in China, Abu Dhabi we are here, Washington, although we are second class, but we have been considered first because of the traffic we have around. How do you apply for these facilities? As you can see here, there is the format how you apply for the passport. When you log in, www.passports.go.ug, it will bring you to this website. It will ask you whether it's a new application. You say yes. You continue by accepting the terms and conditions. You don't need an appointment at the embassy. The appointment is only applicable in Uganda, that is in Kampala, and at regional offices. Then your passport will be processed. Now we have the machine in place, and anytime you can walk into the embassy, so long as it's on the working day and during working hours. So, your passport application might not be processed depending on the following reasons. If there are people, there are wrong characters. Of course, we have good people and also have the bad people. There are those people who are not qualified. They find maybe they are not Ugandans and they want to forge around our documents. They forge the embassy letters. That's why most times we are always recommend recommended that you come physically to the embassy to submit because we require to look at you, and we send them through a designated means to Kampala. But all that is going to will be, you'll be submitting the application to the embassy, then we process them. The recommendation letter should be attached from your recommender. On this, it's a requirement, but at one time we found it a challenge. Many people, it was becoming hard for them to get recommendation letters. So I had to sit down with the director in Kampala and Commission on Citizenship, and we had to eliminate it for the case of the diaspora, most especially UAE. He only gave us a copy of your recommender's ID because the recommendation letter was becoming a problem. Poor quality photos, we always recommend or require that you attach quality photos, very clean photos. With the passport center in Kampala, we don't take pictures. We just scan. The machine just scan. The quality of the picture matters a lot. At times the machine rejects it. Or times you submit it and it comes out in the poor way and the passport doesn't look good. And I don't think anyone would love to look bad in their passport. No signature on the application forms. Every applicant is required to sign the application forms. You can just write a name, payment. You can come at times, you find people coming to the embassy when the payment is not made, or at times it's made, maybe on the wrong payment reference number. So that application cannot be processed until it has been rectified. Ordinary passports, they are the most issued. They constitute 99.5%. Most passports are issued in Uganda to those people who are between the age of 18 and 35. We consider them adults. They are ready to apply for passports on their own without being accompanied by their biological parents. And they constitute about 71%. The biggest percentage of passport applicants are female, but this is for the case of UAE, because most of our workers who come here, they are our sisters. The number of them are here, I believe they are more than the male. So, certificate of identity, I've already hinted on it. How it looks in case you have an emergency and you need to travel back to Ghana, maybe your passport is lost or expired or damaged. In that case, we issue this kind of document. Certificate of identity at times also issued to non-Ugandans. Maybe they get stuff from Uganda and there are those countries without missions in Uganda, without embassies in Uganda. All it facilitates them with this kind of document as they want to travel document to take them back home. Available at Uganda Mission and embassies abroad. I've already shown them to you. And you will also bear witness, brothers and sisters, in way you have been processing and issuing these passports and those certificates of identity. Facilitating foreign nationals who travel to Uganda and maybe who intend to stay there.
So gonna tulabanga tuli ku Nyondo Media era nga tukyali ku Uganda Convention mbadde mpitaayita okusinkana ate omukulu ow'ekitiibwa agenda okuba nga ate atweyanjulira kubanga saagala ate kwanjula mwanjula oba nakwanjula kikyali abeere nga atubuulira tuvaawo tubeere nga ate tumanya bye twaleetaze okuba nga tumanya. Sebo tusanyusa okulaba. Bakusaliutingira oli afande esoke saliutinge mukaawo bwensikana omuntu ayambadde eyambalawo ebyo kino okutyamba nti amba yala kufukamira ku ttaka
okunsaliutinga bansaliutinga naye alina okunsaliutinga alina okubeera nga naye wakyambalo obanze nsobola kusalutinga ow'ekyambalo oba omuntu yenna akkirizibwa okuba nga asalutingibwa oba omunayuganda yenna.
Kale ssebo amanya
agange bampita Amil Kabujamu nga nkolanga immigration atache ku embassy ya Uganda mu UAE Abu Dhabi.
Gwe muntu omutuufu gwe mbadde nnoonya obulamu bwange bwonna okuva natuka wano eno e Dubai. Kakati waliwo abaana ebizibu bibasinkana ng'ebya passports ebyo kubanga passport enkadde zinaatera ddala okuba nga tezisalwako naye abaana bali worried. Muli beebuuza singa passport zibeera zisalwako kiyutagisa kusooka kulinnya kudda Uganda oba tulina engeri sobola okuyambibwamu tuba nga tuzifuna wano eno nezitutuukako.
Weebale nnyo nnyabo moderator, ekibuuzo ekyo kirungi nnyo. Ekisookera ddala passport zetubadde tulina zembadde musinga okumanya eziri mu langi eya blue enkwafu oba navy blue zijja kubanga zigwako zina ensalesale yaazo zijja kugwako ng'ennaku z'omwezi 4 Ogwokuna omwaka ogujja 2022 lwezirina okukoma. Kati twakyusa kati system yagenda ku gye tuyita e-passport oba electronic passport nga ya East Africa. Amawanga gonna ga East Africa gagenda kuba gakozesa eyo passport. Enjawulo ejja kubeerako emu yokka nga esomayo East African Community, the Republic of Uganda, or East African Community, the Republic of Kenya, or Rwanda. Kati yafe soma East African passport nga eriko the Republic of Uganda. Area light blue.
Yes, sir. Kati omwana abagenda kukola ati ali waneno nga badde yeetaga passport. Kimwetagisa okuna Uganda?
Omwana yenna ali wano na Uganda nga yeetaaga passport nga nange mwendi nga naawe kwoli faako abali wano abakolera ku ddungu kuno we tuyita ku ddungu ebuwalabu oba mu nsi endala yonna abalina okugenda ku mutimbagano n'assaamu www.passports.go oba go.ug. Omutimbagano ogwo guba gumuleetera website yaffe kw'osabira passport n'akkiriza byonna ebyogeddwako n'akkiriza terms and conditions n'agenda nga foomu eyo emubuuza kati ekyusa eri online tekyali eri yedde gye twajuzangamu ne peeni ne kalaamu. Kati bwajuzaamu agenda mulikwe bamubuuza ebimukwatako ebikwata ku bazadde be kyalo kwasibuka ekika kye kati n'amala nga abiteesemu abalina endangamuntu oba national ID ya Uganda ng'agituteekeramu atagiina ng'ali wano agumira wano mu diaspora gy'abeera. Directorate of Citizenship and Immigration Control yamukkiriza abasonyibwa kubanga kati abatafunye akakisa akaddayo Uganda okufuna national ID tumwexemptinga tekibeera mbu kyabuwaze mbalina ogiteekamu n'ajjuza bw'amala bulungi n'akozesa website yenyini ey'okusasula agenda ku URA website ayina emitendera nga 3 gy'ayinza okusasula. Ogusooka ayinza okukozesa visa credit card n'asasula. Ogwokubiri ayinza okukozesa mobile money eya networks ez'e Uganda. Ogwokusatu waliwo okubanga byonna tabisobodde ayinza okuba application form eyo ekifaananyi ebeerako ekigambo kye tuyita PRN in full kibeera payment reference number. Kati bw'amala nga kikubye n'akiweereza omuntu gwa yesiga Uganda n'amusindikira akasente n'agenda mu banka n'apayinga against those 2 numbers. Kati bw'obeera wano ebintu bikyuka. Bw'obeera mu diaspora tulinamu emitendera ebiri. Waliwo express passport waliwo ne normal process passport. Naye ebiseera ebisinga obukosi wano tetulina machine eziprintinga passport tuziweereza Kampala. Kati kisukka munaku 2 ate express erina okoma ku naku 2. Amagezi gemba kubiriza okubaweereza basaba normal process negenda nemala y'akaseera akatonotono nekomawo nga bagikoze. Kati bwamala application eyagireeta ku embassy agireeta nga agiprintinze ya page 5 n'atuteekerako obufaananyi buna receipt ezo kwe yasasulidde n'atuteekerako ne national ID ya recommenda amurecommendinze ne passport yeyinja renewinga ne recommendation letter ya recommenda najja ku embassy ne tumukolako. Embassy ebeera nzigule okuva ku Sande mpaka Lwakuna ssaawa 3 ez'okumakya mpaka 9 ez'olweggulo.
Kakati passport ye yefulumiraawo era omwana obeera nga amaze eyo process yonna passport bagenda kugijja ku embassy.
Nyabo neyanzanya ekibuuzo ekyo. Omwana aweereyo application eyo ku embassy mwezi ennaku ze nkugambye n'essaawa ezo ne tumukolako ne tubiweereza e Kampala ne bigenda ne bamala kola passport ezo bamala zikola ne baddamu ne baziweereza.
So omwana azijja ku embassy.
Mu lulimi olwa diplomat tulina kye tuyita diplomatic bag ezitambulira ne zikoma ku embassy. Bwe zidda bwe ziti ne tukubira oyo omuntu ne tumutegeeza mbu passport yo weeri jangu oginone najja na identity card ye oba Emirates ID oba national ID ne tumuweereza passport enkadde n'empya. Enkadde nga tugikansolinze ne tumuweerako n'empya.
Toyanziza nnyo taata obale nnyo webadde. So mwenna abadde balina ekibuuzo ekyo mbadde mutiranga nnyo okumbuuza naye nga nnoonya omuntu omutuufu asobola okuba nga addamu ekibuuzo ekyo. Mukama mulungi kubanga akizeemu bulungi nnyo kansubire gwe wenna alaba ofunyemu ekyokuyiga. Ebibuuzo bingi nnyo bitwandibadde nga twagala okwebuuzako nga twogerako naye olwakadde n'ensonga tubadde mu Uganda Invasion. So nja kumusaba negonjebwa olunaku lube lumu ampeeyo olunaku kubanga bingi twagala okuba nga twogerako. N'ekirala embassy ye Uganda tulina mu Abu Dhabi mwokka. Terinamu preparations zonna kufuna embassy mu Dubai. Kubanga abaana abamu bakalubizibwa okugenda Abu Dhabi nga bali wano mu Dubai. So kiringa nga aba Abu Dhabi bokka bafavoring nga abali wano ne Dubai tunyigirizibwa nnyo. Waliwo enteekateeka yonna ssebo.
Neyanza nnyo nyabo webale nnyo nga kusaba nyongereko kino nga maze okubulira emitendera giri nga bw'ofuna passport nga nkubulidde mbu Munnayuganda tekimwetagisa okudda Uganda asabira ku embassy. Amawulire amalungi agendina gessanyu wetwogerera kati omwezi guno gwenyini gwe tulimu nga tetunaba kuyingira Christmas ebyuma ebya passport bigenda kubeera ku embassy nga mulimu nebya visa kati bagisaba online bigenda kubeera ku embassy nga bamaze obituusa omuntu ajja kujjanga ku embassy ne tukola ku system ne tumusaamu ne tukapcharinga fingerprints ze bulungi ne tumulaga n'ekifaananyi kye passport ye bwegenda okufuluma n'akakasambu kyekyo n'asayininga n'agamba bituufu bye muteeseemu ne tukiweza Kampala mu soft copy ne bagiprintinga. Naye mu kaseera akaddako akatali kaawala nnyo tugenda tandika nose printinga nga ojja ku embassy tukola ku passport yo novaawo nayo ngeri instant olunaku olwo. Services zituuse wano ekintu kiteredde ekyoba kumbuuza embassy okutaba eriyo ne okubeera mu Abu Dhabi okka. Amawulire era amalungi agendina bwe twali tutandika 2020 Expo Dubai embassy ng'eyambibwako Ministry of Foreign Affairs e Kampala nga omukulu ambassador His Excellency Zakhewan Mechibedi bakola breakthrough ne tukkirizibwa gavumenti netuweereza olukusa netuweereza obuyambi ne tugulawo ekifo ekirala mu Dubai kiri mu Jumeirah 1 twaguddeko yatandise nga liaison office naye mu myezi egitasukka eno okuva kati tusuubira mu myezi 3 egenda kubeera kye tuyita consulate ng'ekulirwa gwe bayita consular general era saavisi ezo zennyini ezibadde ku embassy zigenda n'okubeera mu Dubai nga buli kimu kiteredde ekikolebwa wano n'eno nga kikolebwa. Twagala okukendeezaako obuzito bw'abantu okutambula okujja Abu Dhabi, awo olugendo tulutegeera, complaint tubadde tuzifuna, ensonga eteredde. Office weeri already, naye just operation egenda tandika mu myezi 3 tulina okuba kati.
Tuyanziza nnyo ssebo, weebale nnyo weebalire ddala geega amawulire ge twetaaga okuba nga tulya ngaffe bannayuganda, era ndi musanyufu nnyo olunaku olwolwaleero kansuubire nti banaye nawe June gwe alaba ofunye essuubi kubanga mubadde bajja bafuna complaints zonna bayita complaints banange tuve tugenda Abu Dhabi ndo buli kimu kiwulidde naye nga tala kyembadde nkusaba osobola okumpayo olunaku ne tutuula eriyo ebintu bingi nnyo tusobola okuyitaayitamu ku bannayuganda beetaaga okumanya kati nga information eyo tiwali wadde n'omu abadde agimanya ate ng'eri very important naye mutwekwekako nammwe oba fe abatabanoonya oba mwe abatwekwekako.
Neyanza nnyo nnyabo olunaku weetuli najja kuweereza abannayuganda ne bwe ziba kiro ne bwe ziba essimu esulawo ekola 24 hours webagikubira wengikwatira. Amawulire gano gabadde gajja g'essanyu gakajja buzima pya gajja era nga tuli wano era convention eno nga tenaakugwa. Njagala kutegeeza abannayuganda tujja kubatongera kubabuulira ebirala ebikwata wano wenjogerera kati omukulu director akulira immigration Major General Apollo Kasita Goa agenda kulidinga team kuva Uganda bajja bagenda kubeerako ne presentation kono bongera okubongerako n'ebirala ebimwagadde wonjagalidde wonna wendi kwembasa embeerayo mu field embeerayo ku nsonga z'abannayuganda kuba tuzitambuza bulungi. Neyanziza nnyo mwebale nnyo okumpeereza akakisa kano neebaza nnyo n'abannayuganda mwebale nnyo okuyisa obulungi mwebale okugoberera emitendera ne mutatuswaza tuwulira ebiggweeyo ebibeera muno naye nga tebiri mu bannayuganda. Tubeebaza nnyo tuli beeteefuteefu okubaweereza bwe mutwagalidde wonna mututuukirire tujja kubayamba tujja kukola ekikyatuleeta wano.
Amina tweyanziza nnyo weebale nnyo weebale Mukama omulamu akuwe ekisa era akuwe omukisa. Tunaddamu olundi kubanga ngenze n'essanyu lingi nnyo otambudde wano okoze interviews nti bantu bangi naye ate eno empadde essuubi ly'amanyi n'okunsanyusa. Tweyanziza nnyo tweyanzege mwebale kuweereza bannayuganda mwebale okutuyimirirawo.
Amina naawe weebale nnyo naawe weebale kuweereza nnyo.
Amina ssebo tweyanziza taata.